2013 Crown Royal. Gonna have, again, 2 autos, 2 jerseys, 4 packs. See if 2013 will be any better. Alright, pack number 1. Let's insert rookie base. So we got an insert for the Patriots, Tom Brady. Tom Brady insert. I don't know if that's the uncut insert parallel or if it's just the insert. But Tom Brady for the Patriots. Got a rookie for the Bills. That's Kiko Alonso. Kiko Alonso for the Bills. And hit number 1 for the Bengals. Margus Hunt. Gold auto. Margus Hunt. Numbered, oh nice, out of 49. So nice and low numbered. Margus Hunt for the Bengals. Pack number 2. See if we can get a position player. That's going to be a redemption. Rookie base. Got a rookie for the Buccaneers. That is Russell Shepard. Russell Shepard for the Bucks. And a parallel for the Cardinals, Carson Palmer. Out of 199. Carson Palmer out of 199. And the redemption, see if I can get that text to come in. Usually my camera doesn't pick up the text very well. Yeah, it's not picking it up. That is Marcus Lattimore. Silhouette auto. That one is the 49ers. Probably out of 299. Marcus Lattimore for the 49ers. Redemption. And that expired in August, but they should still take that for you. Pack number 3. Alright, got a thick one. Rookie base. Got a parallel for the Jets. Who is that? Ryan Spadola. Rookie. Ryan Spadola for the Jets out of 199. And got another rookie. This one's for the Colts. Let's say Jack Boyle or Doyle. Jack Doyle for the Colts. Not numbered. Hit number 3. This one's gonna go nice for the Falcons. Roddy White, Pro Bowl jersey out of 49. Roddy White for the Falcons. Pro Bowl jersey. Nice low numbered. And the last pack, empty box. Probably just going to be a jersey in this one. Got the 2 autos out of the way. Insert rookie. Got a insert for the Falcons, Tony Gonzalez. Tony Gonzalez, some kind of insert. Rookie for the Broncos, Zach Dysert. Zach Dysert for the Broncos. And the last hit goes to the Chiefs, Niall Davis, numbered out of 299 jersey. Niall Davis for the Chiefs out of 299. So that does it for 13 Crown.